Let's step into this charming log home together. As you approach, notice the rustic beauty of the log construction. The warm wood tones and classic design evoke a sense of coziness and tranquility. The covered front porch beckons you to sit and enjoy the view. Imagine sipping your morning coffee here, listening to the sounds of nature. Step inside to an open living area. The kitchen seamlessly flows into the living room, creating a spacious gathering space. Natural light spills in through the windows, illuminating the wooden beams and cozy fireplace. The kitchen seamlessly blends with the living area, creating a communal space for cooking, dining, and entertaining. Wooden cabinetry, exposed beams, and a farmhouse sink evoke a cozy, rustic feel. Whether you're prepping meals or displaying fresh produce, there's plenty of room. The dining space flows seamlessly from the kitchen. Imagine family dinners or hosting friends here. Large windows allow sunlight to filter in during daytime meals. Whether it's a cozy dinner for two or a festive holiday feast, this space accommodates. Located on the main level, the bathroom features rustic touches that complement the overall aesthetic of the home. A wooden vanity with a natural finish adds warmth. The countertop provides ample space for toiletries. Enjoy the best of both worlds, a relaxing soak in the tub or a quick shower. Located on the upper level, the master bedroom is a spacious retreat. Imagine waking up to soft sunlight filtering through the windows, casting warm patterns on the wooden floor. Vaulted ceilings with exposed beams create an airy feel, and the sloped roof adds character. A cozy reading nook by the dormer window invites you to curl up with a book or simply gaze out at the surrounding nature. Adjacent to the master bedroom, the guest room is equally inviting. It boasts the same rustic charm, with log walls and a sense of tranquility. Follow the path to the brook, where you can dip your toes or simply listen to the babbling water. The bonus outbuilding with an attached carport offers storage space for tools, bikes, or even a small workshop. Originally listed at $179,900 by the time of recording this video, this log home was a gem waiting for its next owner.